Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Google Chrome. So often they come at the same time as the Patch Tuesday updates, but this month, 1 week earlier, as Patch Tuesday updates are only next week on February 14th. So what do we have on this Chrome version? First of all, to make sure you have it, simply go to the Chrome version or a Chrome browser, upper right corner and 3 vertical dots, Help and About Google Chrome. You will be pushed to version 110.0.5481, and the ending is either 77 or 88, and that's for Windows, and you will have version 77 for Linux and Mac users. Now, what is in here? In this new version, a few little things that some might enjoy. First of all, if you have a RTX 3000 or 4000 graphics card inside your PC, the browser adds what's called the Video Super Resolution feature. This is a RTX 3000, 4000 feature. And what it does is actually when it upscales a video or upscales a picture. Upscaling is never that great because upscaling often blurs part of an image or a video. But this new feature is more of kind of an AI, artificial intelligence type upscaling using the graphics adapter's power. And what it will do is, of course, upscale with much more detail and make things much clearer. And this, of course, upscales up to the 4K resolution. So it's one of the features that could be very nice for some of you that have these more advanced graphics adapters. This one also lets you log into websites with biometric devices. Anything that you have that's a biometric, could be a fingerprint reader, so on. This now will work for logging into your favorite websites with biometric. There's also a enhancement for the safe browsing settings so that you can actually know, and there will be more checks done to make sure that extensions that you might be using do not have malware or are not malware driven. So this is one of the features that is added here. And there's also and that's it pretty much for that. Now, what there is in here that is kind of interesting is that version 110 is now the first version to exclude Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. That means if you're on these old systems, Chrome is no more supported. You can still use 109, but you won't be able to move on to 110. This is the first version of Google Chrome that does this, and will be followed also by Microsoft Edge, which also will be in the next version, the last one, the first one to not work on Windows 7 and 8.1. Kind of normal because they are Chromium based. So that's what we have. New Google Chrome browser if you want to check it out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.